So guys, for the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to head over to the Details tab, and then we're going to scroll down and then look for msedge.exe. We're going to right click on it and then click on End Process Tree, and then click on End Process Tree again. After you do this, you should be able to open up Microsoft Edge. So let's open it up. Once we're on it, we're going to click on the three dots in the top right and then click on Extensions, and then click on Manage Extensions. Now, you want to remove any extensions that you think may be causing the problem. So once you find it, just click on Remove. Once you do that, we're going to close out Edge, and then we're going to open it up again so it can restart. Once you open it up, now we're going to click on the three dots again, and then click on Settings. Then we're going to click on About Microsoft Edge, and it's going to be checking for updates. Make sure that your Microsoft Edge is fully updated. You might get something like this to say to finish updating, restart Microsoft Edge, so just click on Restart. But now I'm going to head over into the next step. After you do that, we're going to head over to Privacy, Search and Services, and then you want to scroll down and then click on Choose What to Clear. Now, you want to make sure that you clear your cookies and cache, but you could also clear your history as well, because that also might work. And then click on Clear Now and see if that works for you. Now, if that's still not working, for the next step, we're going to head over to Search and type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to scroll down and then look for Microsoft Edge. Then we're going to click on the three dots and click on Modify. And then click on Yes. And you want to click on Repair Microsoft Edge and then see if that works for you. After you complete all the steps in this video, restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed. Make sure you click on Restart, don't shut down, click on Restart.